I just wanted to make this video, and it is part of the how to upshift video, but I wanted to put the clip on its own because it's probably one of those questions that gets asked so much, and I never answer it yes or no because people ask, do they give gas at the bite point? And I just can't say yes or no because I know as a inexperienced driver, they may be giving gas too early and slipping their clutch. And it's just impossible to say, yes, do that. And who knows where your clutch engages, how it engages, no one really knows. So if you watch this video, you can hear the engine rev up and the clutch is slipping because it's not being engaged and the car is not moving forward. And if you watch the RPM gauge, you can see it revving up to like 3,000 RPM, but the clutch is not engaged, so the car is not moving forward. The clutch is being slipped excessively, so it is going to be wearing out faster if that's just how I drive around town. So when you're learning these upshifts, that's why it's so important you take your time and let your body get used to the movements. And you might start out being very steppy, but as your body gets used to everything, it'll become much quicker. And you might be giving gas a little bit earlier and earlier. But what you don't want to do is what you see in the video. So if you read, give gas at the bite point, or you watch it in the video, don't just jump on doing that. Like, watch the video and make sure you're not doing this, okay? That's easier to say. Just don't do this, and let your body get used to doing the movement. What you don't want to do is start pressing the gas too early, or you end up with something like this. So here I am pressing the gas too early. The car kind of rev up when the clutch is not engaged. That's not what you want to do, because that time you're wearing out the clutch. So don't do that. And let me do that one more time just so you can hear. This is sometimes the issue when people try to give gas at the bite point. Okay, don't do that. Just practice when you're learning. Just bring your foot off the gas pedal, bring your foot off the clutch pedal, and learn it that way. So here again. Sometimes in the fifth gear, you can actually hear a little bit of gas go up. And that is because this distance, it goes from fourth to fifth, is kind of a longer distance from second to first to second, second to third, third to fourth. So you're used to these short shifts, then all of a sudden you're doing fifth gear, and your foot is used to moving that short distance. So you might be giving a little bit of gas a little earlier than normal, but that's fine, just as long as you know not every gear you're trying to like rev it up like that.